over. Can I help you, sir?
And we'd like a room for 2 nights, please.
Hey everybody, I'm Laura Hughes, proving girls can do it too. And by it, I mean touch your cousin. Was it worth it? No, it wasn't. You won't find me in your child's playset, cause I gotta wear this ankle bracelet. I'm not here to go on a bender, I'm here because I'm a sex offender.
Have you ever felt different from others? Not just unconventional, but really different. If you've clicked on this video, you've probably wondered if you might be on the autism spectrum.
Like a melody in my head that I can't keep out, got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay.
This is my alter ego. Anita Maxwin. Anita Maxwin.
Don't be racist. I am a building.
Word on the street is,
you messed with my gang.
so you're getting a not-so-friendly visit from Gub Gub, Senor Beatdown, Halloween Joe, and the ace up my sleeve, Larry.
Should I call you Mr.? Pepe Julian Onzima, thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
Me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
What is your gender? My gender? I'm a mechanic.
Oh shit.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
We're getting closer to his return, and the closer we get to him, the faster things are going to happen. The faster the healings, the faster the deliverance, the faster...
Yes, yes, burn the child.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. And I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Cause a girl like you is impossible to find. Impossible to find.
I am the spy. I'm afraid not. I am the spy.